This video is about how to install and use our chain link fence machine. Our chain link fence machine mainly has 5 parts: the cutting machine, the weaving machine, the lock machine, and the mesh rolling machine, and the electric control panel. When you receive our machine, firstly, you need to correctly place the machine parts. Please refer to our machine layout. This is a cutting machine, and the weaving machine should be in the same line. This part is the lock machine, and this place on the lock machine should be in the same straight line with the cutter. These are the tensioning roller. The function is push the mesh forward. The gear on the tension bearing is in the middle of the mesh hole. This tensioning bearing, this part, and this position leg in the same line. About the mesh rolling machine, it also should be in the same line with the cutter. Let's measure the distance between the weaving machine and the lock machine. The distance is about 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter. The distance between the lock machine and the mesh rolling machine is about 10 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Next is the cable connection. We should follow the labels on the plug A, B, C. Connect the machine parts to the control box. Inside of the electric control box, there are 2 throw drives. They control 2 servo motors. These 2 cables should be connected with the servo drive. Cable 1 connected with the drive 1. Cable 2 connected with the drive 2. Inside of this tank is the mixture of metal cutting liquid and water. Let us see. The function is lubrication. Can decrease the scratch on the wire surface and extend the mold service life. Let us study the touch screen. It has two languages, English and Chinese. And you can set the mesh width. And mesh length on the touch screen. And this speed, you can also change the speed. This speed is the motor rotating speed. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed. That also shows the production capacity. How to produce and adjust good fence wire. Look at here. The two blades and the two wires should be flat. Look, these two wires shape is relative. The curve. According to the principle of mirror image. And this part is the cutter. The good cutting position is the middle of the wire side length. This place. This wheel is used to adjust the wire cutting position, and it can move, push out, and push in. When we push it out, it controls the outside wire move forward or back. When we push in the wheel and turn it, it controls the inside wire move forward and back. Look at this wire. It is in a good condition. This wire is very flat. But this wire, you see, it is not in a good condition because before machine cutting, and this wire should be vertical. You can see now it is forward. Now the blade is vertical, but the wire is forward. And this wheel is used to move forward or move back the blade. and just we can adjust the wire angle. This wheel has the same function with the middle wheel. It controls the outside blade moving forward or back. If the two wires not similar length, this wire is short, you need to adjust here forward. When the cutter cuts the wires, this plate will press the wire, and the wire head will upward. It is easy for the viewing. There are some position lag on the lock machine. The position of each position lag should be in the middle of the mesh hole.